mini, I don't know, what do you call them? Little mini things of gold. What do you call it? Pots of gold, a mini pot of gold. So, taking my vanilla wafer with some green icing. And then, going to smush it just like so, so a little bit of the green comes out. Then I'm going to take my green sprinkles and I'm going to dip it in here. And then you have what looks like little mini things of gold. Ah, isn't that cute? That's so cute. Okay, let me make all the rest up. I'll show you what they look like on the plate. Now you can also do a little bit. Then it's just vanilla wafers. Now you do it in this first, but then look at this. Let's see what this will look like with the gold.
Oh, sugar powder.
Do you get it? You know, because it's supposed to be little things of gold.
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of cute too.
Looks like a green hamburger with shimmery gold on it. Just kidding.
A green hamburger with shimmery gold, huh? Oh my goodness.
Great for St. Patrick's Day and Green Eggs and Ham Day.
Which happen to be both in the same month. Did you know that?
I didn't.
Yes. Okay, now I'll show you how I'm going to display these. Let's see, I like this one better, I think, than that one, don't you? Doesn't this look more like a little gold pot?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. So I'll do them all up and then I'll show you how I'm going to. I found these cute little pots that I have. I was trying to find something that looked like a pot at the end of the rainbow. I don't know. So I got that one. And then I have this one. Just to line my pot. So it's clean. And you don't have to take up so much space. Okay. So let's see. This one. Let's do it the other direction. There. Got to get it all pretty-ified. Wow, that's kind of cute.
Yes.
Okay, so then we'll do this one. There we go. It's our pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. I came up with that all by myself.
That's cool.
I used my brain.
All right.
So you can actually eat this one, but go ahead.
Oh, that's right. People think it's funny that I smell it.
Yes.
I just want to know what it is. Oh, it smells delish.
Are you afraid I'm gonna poison you or something? Does it taste like little shortbreads?
It does. It's really good. Man, it's very sweet and very, very mint. Well, not mint, chocolatey, minty. It's yummy. I love it. I shouldn't eat the rest of it.
Except that one shouldn't be minty. Oh, it's because I had mint on my hands, I bet. And on the spoon. Oh, that's
Do you want
funny.
to try it and see what you think?
No,
Just
I
a
believe
minty
you.
bit?
Yeah. But in your mind, it's... Does it taste like
Oh,
mint?
it's not minty.
I was going to say, it shouldn't have mint in it. I didn't put mint in that
I think
one.
the green confused me. That's funny how psychologically you taste what you think you're going to get.
See?
Mmm. Mmm.
But it's good.
They're very delicious.
Yay. I'm making some Cool Whip candy, and I am going to make it strawberry flavored for Valentine's Day. Now, you want the equivalent of 2 bags of chocolate chips. This is 24 ounces, so this is just slightly over 2 bags of chocolate chips. So, first thing I'm gonna do is melt this in the microwave. Found this strawberry shake Yum. Pudding filling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add that into my Cool Whip candy. So instead of, let's see, instead of 2 ingredients, 3 ingredients. Instead of 2 ingredients, I'm gonna do 3 ingredients. It smells really good. Yum. I took my 1200 watt microwave about 1.5 minutes. Now there's a couple of unmelted chunks, so I'm gonna go ahead and get those stirred in. Now this is still pretty warm. So out of curiosity, it's 122 degrees. So I am going to let this cool down to probably 80, 90 degrees. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my strawberry pudding. And you know what else I'm gonna add? I have these dried strawberries that I smashed up for another candy for my other truffles. I'm gonna put those in there. All right. So I'm gonna get all of that mixed in while this is cooling down. Oh, that looks just like a strawberry shake. Oh, yum. Oh man, it smells just like one too. Oh, that is delicious. Wow. Okay, gonna let this cool down and then we're going to add our Cool Whip. Some of my chocolate that cooled on the sides here. Okay. Get that mixed back in. Now I've got my tub of Cool Whip, whipped topping, whatever you can use. Yes, if you want to use real whipped cream, you can. Gently stir your Cool Whip in. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in my pan. We're gonna let this get set up. Then we will cut or do circles. I haven't decided yet. Might cut this into pieces actually. Now, this has a removable bottom, but if yours doesn't have a removable bottom, then you may want to line it with parchment paper. Ooh, that looks yummy. Now you don't want to smash it down too much because you still want it to be fluffy. Now we're gonna let this set up and we're gonna come back and cut it. It has set up, I think. Or maybe not. Oh dear. I might have a situation here. I let it set up enough? I do not believe I let it set up enough. Okay, so let's just go ahead and cut this anyway, and then we'll freeze it. Oh, wow. Oops, that was a little small. Okay. I think those are a little large, so I'm going to cut them smaller. Okay. Now we're gonna get them all on the tray and frozen. So these remind me of something, and I cannot for the life of me think of what it is, and it's driving me bonkers. Here, BJ, you want to try a bite and tell me if this reminds you of something? Just a little tiny bite.
The taste or the look?
The taste. The taste reminds me of something, and I can't place it. You know what? Maybe it is just a strawberry milkshake from Sonic. That's the flavor. I think it is. I think it's just the Sonic strawberry milkshake flavor. Yeah. Would you say it's a milkshake flavor? Probably. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Tara, get with it. Yeah, or taffy too. Okay, now these little leftover pieces I'm just gonna smush, make into little balls, put them on here. Yeah, I think it's just a strawberry milkshake is what it reminds me of. Hello. Since that's the flavor. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and freeze these, and then we'll come back and dip them. Right, I am dipping my white coating to give these a try. All right, to dip them. Now I might do half chocolate, half white. I don't know, I'll see. Just take a toothpick, stick it in the center. Now, I would just do a few and then put your sprinkles on, because your coating will set up and get hard if you wait and do them all at the same time. So okay, we have our Cool Whip candy here, and it is frozen solid.
Ooh. That is yummy looking.
Yum. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
See if you know what it reminds you of.
Mmm. It's a really amazing strawberry flavor.
Strawberry milkshake, maybe? That's what it reminded me of. It is
Maybe.
Strawberry shake pudding I put in there, but...
Really good. This is amazingly good.
Is it?
Wow. This is
Yay.
really fantastic.
Cool Whip candy.
Mm-hmm.
This no-bake cheesecake is so simple. All you do is add your lemon juice and your sugar. With your cream cheese in your bowl and mix it up. Then you're gonna take 1 container of whipped topping. Cool Whip is one of the best inventions ever. Now we're just gonna stir it in. All right, then we're gonna take our pie crust. Now, if you wanna make a homemade graham cracker pie crust, Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1 has the recipe. You can also find it at livingonadime.com. The link will be in the description below. Then, just pour it into your pie crust. Then we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set up for several hours. And for those of you who don't know, I forgot to tell you this tip. The lid, just turn it upside down and it makes a nice little cover if you need it. So now we're going to refrigerate that. Okay, it's been firming in the fridge. And of course, what cheesecake is perfection without pie filling on top? Oh.
That looks amazing, dear.
Thank you.